Hi guys, Christina here at Impeccability is powered by Kaizink. Today we're going to go over engraving these cutting boards we have. So first things first, we bring in our art, we select all, and then we go File, Print. That's going to pop up our Epilog engraver here. We're going to go Custom, and then we're going to hit Print, and it's going to bring you into your Epilog dashboard. So first thing we want to do is these cutting boards here are 5 inches across. So we're going to take half of that, which is 2.5, and we're going to set our X. And then from the top to the middle of the art is 3.5, so we're going to set our Y. For these, we found that wood deep engraving works best. We started with 300 DPI and it wasn't giving us a good result, so we upped our power and slowed it down a little bit, and we came up with this deep engraving setting. So we're going to send that over by hitting Print. Come over here. Our file is right there. We're going to load in our cutting board, flush back, flush left, close the lid, hit play. And this is what we are left with. So it's perfectly centered. This is the placement that the customer has requested. And that's it. Thanks guys.